Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use ChatGPT for studying. Using ChatGPT for studying can make learning interactive and efficient. Here's how to set it up and make the most out of it. First, access ChatGPT. Visit the ChatGPT website. Open your preferred web browser, for example, Chrome, and go to ChatGPT. Link in the description below. Sign in or sign up. Log in with your account or create one if you haven't yet. Next method, ask GPT for help on topics. Break down complex topics. Ask ChatGPT to explain challenging concepts or break down detailed subjects. Generate study guides. Request a study guide or summary on a particular topic. For example, can you make a summary of a cellular respiration? Practice questions and answers. Ask for practice questions or quiz yourself on the material. For instance, give me practice questions on the civil rights movement. Writing assistance. Get help with writing essays, reports, or understanding literature. Ask for writing tips or feedback on ideas. Another guide, use ChatGPT to create study materials. Flashcards. Have ChatGPT generate flashcards. You can say, create flashcards for me on biology terms. Study schedules. Ask ChatGPT to create a study plan. For example, make a 2-week study plan for chemistry basics. Notes. Request condensed notes for quick revision. Summarize the main points of the French Revolution. Another guide, stay organized. Take notes with Windows tools. Use Notepad, OneNote, or Google Docs alongside ChatGPT to record helpful information. Use Snap layouts on Windows. Snap ChatGPT on one side of your screen and note-taking app on the other to keep study sessions organized. Another method, stay engaged with your learning. Ask follow-up questions. If something isn't clear, ask ChatGPT follow-up questions. Experiment with different prompts. Try asking questions in different ways to deepen your understanding. Optional tools to enhance study sessions. Voice typing. Use Windows voice typing by pressing Win plus H to speak prompts instead of typing them. This setup on Windows helps make studying with ChatGPT interactive and streamlined for various learning styles. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.